Hey crypto enthusiasts! If you're navigating the world of cryptocurrencies in 2025 and need to transfer your Tether, USDT, from your Arculus wallet to Binance, this guide is perfect for you. It's a simple process that can help you manage your assets more effectively, whether you're trading or just moving funds for security reasons. Let's dive right in. First, before you start, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Arculus wallet with some USDT in it and a fully set up Binance account. Double check that your accounts are secure and that you understand the basics of blockchain transactions to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Arculus Wallet app on your smartphone or device and log in with your credentials. This is your gateway to managing your crypto. Step 2. Once inside, head to your wallet dashboard and select the USDT asset from your list of holdings. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section, find USDT, and click on Deposit. Choose the correct network, such as TRC20 for faster, cheaper transfers, and copy the deposit address provided. Step 4. Back in Arculus, navigate to the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and any fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction through your wallet's security features like biometric verification. After that, sit back and wait. The transfer should reflect in your Binance account within minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick word of advice. Always verify addresses to prevent errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, keep an eye on transaction fees, as they can add up. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. Your Tether is now on Binance. This process keeps your funds moving smoothly in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.